Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the shining light. You are the lighthouse that's leading all the ships from the terrible, troubled waters into safety. You are that torch that is leading everyone out of the wilderness because you are the example of success. You've done it. You are in the works of completing even bigger works. But the thing that we are loving about you is that you're successful. You got down. You were consistent. And you got the job done. And we believe in you. We thank you. And now we also can believe in ourselves because we see it can be done. My desire to improve myself, transform fear into strength. I raise my thoughts above doubt and I find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and accept myself as a soul and I discover the light that dwells within me and I shine for the rest of the world, not only to love, but also to follow. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.